My name is Wingle. I'm from Malaysia, staying in Singapore. So I start this Japanese course with this year, February. So just around 3 months. I love Japanese like 10 more years. But before that, I didn't want to study for the course or attending any exam. Until this year, I decided to further study. Then I found Chika Sensei Academic. Even though I know some Japanese, but I decided to study from basic. So the course I take is N5 course, 6 months course. I walking every day, so I cannot take course like sitting for a few hours in a class. Then I have to look a lot in the internet online. Then I searched a lot at the internet. Then I found Chika Sensei advertisement. The advertisement is stated like you can with just 5 minutes per day, you can finish N-level course in 6 months. So this one catch my attention because even you attend a class in like 1 week, 2 hours per week, if within 6 months, actually you cannot finish the course also. So why don't we spend 5 minutes per day to study what we want, what we like? Then that's why I joined this course. And yeah, so after I attend this course, I must tell everyone that this one, the advertisement is real. With your effort to study just 5 minutes per day, then you really can learn a lot. So I very thank you for Chika Sensei effort to preparing all the video, the teaching lesson. Actually, even though I know Japanese for many years, but I never try to write out. So I don't even know how to use the keyboard. Then I asked Chika Sensei with the comment section. So Sensei replying me all the simple or the basic thing. So, for the Japanese keyboard, I used few days to learn how to use it. Then from the keyboard, I learned to type up. Then I made many mistakes. Then Sensei correct me one by one. Actually, from the first week I joined this course, I spent 1 hour to just finish a sentence. But with the 1 hour, I also made a lot of mistakes. That surprised me a lot because I thought I know, but actually I don't know. Yeah.
So now you used to do that.
Now I very surprised with just 3 months of studying, I can read Japanese sentence already, and I know the basic like wa actually is the hiragana ha. This very basic thing, but before that I don't know. Even though I thought I can listen, understand people with Japanese language, but I don't know. So this surprised me the most. I think because Chika Sensei is like 17 years of teaching experience, and the toga, the video are very interesting, straight to the point, and we it's free for us to like keep downloading and keep listening, watching, repeat and repeat until we can learn everything. So every day we study 5 minutes, then at the end of the week, we will receive another email like weekly summary. This to remind us to re-study again, do revisions. And I follow this method to study and I really learned a lot. So when I go to work, I just checking my phone, study the video. And when I having my off day at home, I write down what I study. Then it's like a revisions, then that makes me learn a lot. I decided to take the JLPT program because it's impressed by the Japanese drama. So one of the drama I like, the serifu, the dialogue, made my decisions to further study. So it's a drama topic.
But okay.
But my life history from young, from when I still a student, I impressed from Japanese people, Japanese story. So I really like Japanese people, the way they think, very impressive. That made me move forward, keep following toward our dreams. So for the I don't know what to say. So because now it's the COVID period, many people don't have job, lose their job. But why don't we take this opportunity to further our study, to make our life more easier with what we like. So I like Japanese a lot. I hope that next time in the future, maybe 2 years later, I can work for like Japanese professional to as a translator or any, still don't know. I try my best to do it first.
ありがとうございました。
はい、どういたします。